Example number 5. A carpenter is building a shelving system and cuts a 14-foot length of cherry shelving into 3 pieces. The second piece is twice as long as the first. The third piece is 2 feet longer than the first. Find the length of each piece of cherry shelving. We have 3 pieces in this situation because in the problem it said that it get cut. The cherry 7 get cut into 3 pieces, and the question asks us to find each piece. That means we find the first one. We have to answer the first one, the second piece, and then the third piece. So like before, when we don't know three unknowns, when we have 3 unknowns, we will assign the variable for the one that we know the least information about. So we're going to read this sentence first to see which one you know more information. And which one you know less information. So they say the second piece is twice as the first. So you know some information about the second one, but you don't know about the first. So the first is the one that we know the least information about. So I will highlight this more. And the third piece is 2 feet longer than the first. And once again, they give you some information about the third piece, but not the first. So the first piece is the one that we know the least information about. So we will assign the X for this. Now go back to the second piece, the yellow sentence. So what do they say about the second? The second piece is twice as long as the first. That means twice the first, so twice the X. And then the third piece, the green sentence, is said that the third piece is 2 feet longer. That means 2 add 2. 2 longer, that means add 2, and add 2 from the first, so that is X. There's one number in the problem that we did not use, and that number is number 14. So a carpenter is building a shelving system and cuts a 14-foot length. So that's the length of the cherry shelving is 14 feet. It means that if we combine the first piece, the second piece, and the third piece, all of them put back together, connect them again, we will get 14 feet. So the first one is X, the second one is 2X, and the third one is X plus 2. We will combine like terms, so that will give us 4X plus 2 equal 14. We will minus 2 both sides. So we get 4X equal 12, and divide both sides by 4. We will get X equal to 3. Now we go back and answer the question. We assign that X is the first piece, so X is 3 feet. The first piece is 3 feet. The second piece is twice as long as the first. So twice of the first is twice of 3. Twice of 3 is 6 feet. And the third one is 2 longer. So 3 plus 2, and the answer is 5 feet. How do we check this answer to see if we get it right? We will add all of the pieces, the length of the pieces together. So 3 plus 6 plus 5, and we get the total is 14. And that is the length of the cherry 7 before it was cut.